Now we're going to put a couple of things together that we've been working on. You'll notice that we have like terms that are separated by terms that do not have the variables here. So we've got variables on the left side, variables on the right side. Let's start to get some like terms together, and that will simplify our lives a lot. We'll be able to work with this question much easier once we've gotten those together. So I'm going to start by getting these W terms right here together. We've got 1W plus 2W. That gives us 3W. We still have this minus 2, and over here everything's the same, so we get 6 plus 5W. All right, now we've got this W term on both sides, so we're going to eliminate this. Now I'm going to choose not to divide. I don't want to leave the W here. I want to eliminate this whole term, so I'm going to subtract 5W to eliminate the entire thing. 5W minus 5W is 0, and there is nothing left here. So we'll subtract 5W from the other side, because whatever we do to one side, we need to make sure to do to the other side, and now we can see our like terms are together here. That gives us negative 2W. We still have this minus 2, and still have the 6 over here. Let's add the 2 to get those like terms together. That's negative 2W equals 8. And now we will divide because we do want to leave the W by itself right there. So we'll divide by negative 2 to undo that multiplication, and we get W equals negative 4. Let's take a look at the next one. You'll see that we've got parentheses on both sides. So we have a variable and a variable inside those parentheses. When we use the distributive property, we're going to be able to start moving things around much easier. So let's distribute the negative 9 over here, and we'll distribute the 4 on this side. So we're going to distribute twice, and that'll free up both of these variables. Negative 9 times t is negative 9t, and negative 9 times negative 2, make sure you keep track of that negative, ends up being positive 18, so there's a plus because it's positive now. 4 times t is 4t, and 4 times negative 15 is negative 60. All right, let's get these t terms together. So let's subtract 4t, because we want to eliminate, again, the entire term here. So we're going to choose to subtract. That means we have to subtract 4t on the other side, and now we have our like terms together. Negative 9t minus 4t is negative 13t. This is gone, it's 0. Still have that 18, positive 18, and still have this 60, but make sure you keep track of this negative. It's a negative 60, so put that right there. We'll subtract 18 now to get those terms together. That gives us negative 13t equals negative 78. And now we're going to divide because we want to undo this multiplication and leave the t over on this side. So divide by negative 13, divide by negative 13, and we get t equals negative divided by negative is positive, and 78 divided by 13 is 6. And we're finished. Thank you.